Yung scoring ability niya will be enough to carry the team.
So it's to Ravena, shot clock down to 4. Ravena for 3. Yes, sir.
Ravena, 3!
Turning garbage into gold that time. Itong opensa ng Ateneo, really the offense going nowhere. And at the last minute, starting itong si Alejandro, the last few games. Nung first round, hindi niya ini-start yan.
And back-to-back 3-point shots for Kiefer Ravena.
And I don't mind that. Kiefer is just averaging close to less than or maybe 35%. And you know, when you guard
one-on-one plays that the defense can take advantage of.
Well, Ateneo, as we see, a nice three, his third straight in the ball game. Maganda ang gising ngayon ni Davino. I'm talking about yung report ni Laura. Turnovers after the injury na nangyari itong kay Jerry Pingoy. Hindi mo makita sa stats yung impact niya. As we see, another three by Davino, 4 straight. Now, Coach Eric forced to call a timeout. Just unfortunate they weren't able to secure the basketball.
Very crafty operator inside. That's Jeff Avillonar. Cutting down Ateneo's early lead. Dancing partner whenever these two teams meet.
Si Kiefer na mismo nagsabi niyan. Every time Javelona is checking him, and he is right on cue saying, "What the heck are you saying, Miko and Christian? It's my 5th triple. I don't care if there's a hand in shot in the corner."
As we reach the Avida halfway point of the quarter, be inspired to win big with Avida's halfway point of the quarter. And Kiefer Ravena is hotter than the sun. 6 out of 6 from Rainbow Country to start the game.
Wow. Just wow.
Jello Alolino. Advantage over Babylonia with the runner. It's good.
Nice basket there by Alolino to stop the bleeding and momentum nitong Eagles. Now they just need to get some stops to get them back in the
ball game. Miko and Christian.
Thank you, Ira. As Ravena scores again, Copico 78 courtside moment brought to you by Copico 78. Copico's best latte ever.
That time, JJ Alejandro forcibly had 2 guys on him, resulted into really a 4-point swing with a turnover and a basket by Ravena.
So Alfred Aroga scores on the layup, but it's been all for Ravena in that opening quarter. 21 of Ateneo's 24 points. Of course, watch the UAP live with Sky Moby.
First play, they went into Aroga, got a broken play, got the ball again. The next couple plays that developed, they still were able, when Aroga went to the bench, they went to their guy, itong si Alolino's first shot.
Meantime, here's Diputado. Diputado drives and scores. Rev Diputado, his first field goal in the ball game.
Nice drive
by Javelona. Quickly to Zelda. Reden Zelda on the move. All the way.
Good stop right there by the Bulldogs, forcing a turnover with the hot hand Ravena. Easy 2 on the break.
Tino with a spin.
Oh, he's feeling it. He is feeling it. As soon as he made that crossover spin move, had that bounce in his step, just a nice finish. And
with nowhere to go, finds Alejandro for 3. Yes, sir! It's just a 3-point ball game. As Ravena gets away, keeps Ravena now 25 points. Back to a 5-point.
Ready.
Alolino for 3. Yes, sir! Up by just 3 points. The Bulldogs begin the third quarter with Jello Alolino, Alfred Aroga, Jeff
a smaller Diputado on the hot hand, Ravena.
Pull up by Pesomal, back-to-back threes for Von Pesomal, and he has 9 points. Tino loses his balance, and the ball ends up with the Bulldogs, and an easy 2 for Jello Alolino.
And I was about to say that was okay, even though Ateneo turned the ball over. At least they can get a chance to set up their defense, but didn't happen otherwise. Easy.
This is UAAP Sunday, live on ABS-CBN Sports in Action. We are coming to you the 4th and final quarter. Aaron Black, strong move to the basket.
Wow, what a move by itong si Black. Deceptively strong. If you see this kid, medyo
picks it up. Over to Pesomal. Pesomal drives and scores.
How about that move by Pesumal, not showing only that he can shoot beyond the...
By the Blue Eagles, Alolino sees an open lane and he drives in for two.
You see, that has been the difference between the first Ravenna shot and the second one with Pesumal. Pesumal recovered the Tamaraw, securing the basketball, and this could be a big shot for Alolino as they gave itong Bulldogs another extra possession. Right.
Here's the final score: 68 for Ateneo, 59 for NU. What allowed Ateneo to protect this lead in that fourth?